So let's say you've got a spreadsheet filled with data and you want to analyze it, but you only want to look at data that satisfies a very specific criteria. One of the ways you can change the visualization of your spreadsheet data is to use filters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the very first row, and then under Data, I select that menu, and then I have Create Filter. So I'm going to click on that, and what that will do is that will make all of my row headers into filter labels. So now I can take my data and click on one of these little upside down triangles, and I can filter only by that column. All right, so let's say I click on status. There's only so many options here. Either that column is blank or it's empty, and I want to look at all of the ones that I haven't done yet. So I'm going to unselect done. So what this does is this will show me only the rows where this specific column has a blank entry. In other words, all of the tutorials I haven't made yet. So if I click on OK, notice it's only showing me the tutorials that don't have the word done in that column. Notice the cells kind of skip around a lot, 14, 18, 20. The data in the other rows is still there. It's just not showing it to me. So nothing's been deleted. I'm just not seeing it. Right? So this gives me a way to visualize the data in my spreadsheet that happens to fit a very specific criteria that I may be interested in.